If you want to learn how to trade just like me, join the community, click the private Discord link, sign up through this membership level, and you will gain access to weekly group mentorship calls for free. Welcome back everyone. It's been just over a week since my last Naka update. The last update we were actually underneath this resistance, and what we were saying is that if we now fail to break through the 1 fib level, we could be having a deeper correction coming back down to the 200 EMA, which was sitting at the golden pocket over here, just suggesting that it would be a bullish dump if we fail to break through this level. So I was preparing everyone just in case we did dump, but making everyone understand that Nakamoto, as I mentioned in the last video, is technically in a bull market. We can see that on the daily time frame we are above the 200 EMA, which is this white moving average. As you're above this, we consider this an uptrend. This is the bottom of your uptrend. You can come down close to it, you just need to have bullish signals flashing above it, or you can come down exactly to it and confirm its support just while you are above that level. This is considered a daily uptrend or daily bull market. And in fact, guys, when we even go to the weekly time frame, we can see over here a bullish cross on the weekly, which would suggest that Nakamoto Games is in a bull market. So the question becomes is where is it going in the short term? As we were suggesting, if the dump did occur from here where we failed to break the 1 fib level, that is the deepest we would come and then eventually go up higher. But I also in that same video update prepared you with some bullish targets, and in fact guys, some of those targets have been met as we were predicting in the last video update for when the 1 fib level is eventually broken, 79 cents. And we're going to go quickly to that video update, but make sure if you haven't already to like, subscribe, comment and share. It does help fight the algorithm on a daily basis, and we're now less than 300 subscribers away from 7,000, so let's get there as quick as possible. And if let me know in the comment section below if you want to see more Nakamoto Games updates. So this is the last video. We only got 4 likes but 70 views, so let's get those likes up. We can definitely get over 10-15 likes if there's that many viewers. But we could see over here what we were essentially suggesting is if price could break through that area, we'd be targeting this level at 93 cents. And then if we were to pull back, we want to use this area, this previous resistance now as support to then continue to these higher targets, which is in line with this golden pocket area. And we'll look at that now on the chart. So it's a little bit different here. I think I've placed these sets of fibs in a different location. However, we can see some confluence in and around this area over here. In fact, I think it is actually the same, 116 and 116 is over here. Yeah, so it's between this area and this area that we will be coming into next. We just need to see, as we are topping out at the 1618 over here, will we now, of course, come back down to this area and hold it as support to then continue higher. For me personally, I need to mention to you guys that these targets above are still valid. The expectation is that we still go ahead and meet them, so there are gains to be made here from today's current price. We could see anywhere between a 17 and a 37% gain on top of what we've already made since this breakout. So this breakout has given us a 15% return, and to this target over here would be a 35% return and a 57% return for the Nakamoto holders. But all you need to do to keep this criteria in place, maintain this bullish structure, we just need to maintain this golden pocket over here. This is where everything changed, everyone. So we use this as a Fibonacci retracement tool. It's measuring a dump, telling us where we're pulling back to before continuation lower. But everything changed when we broke the golden pocket right over there, when we had this bullish candlestick holding it as support. With that, we broke the 786 fib, which is another bullish indicator that we have created the reversal wave, just waiting for the final thing to release the Kraken, which is a break of the 1 fib level at 79 cents, and that's where we get these explosions. So already over here there was an early signal breaking through the 786. This would have been 20% pump to where we are now, and the peak of 27%. So let me know in the comment section below, did you actually tune in to the last Nakamoto Games update? Did you see this call over here waiting for the break of this level for this continuation high? And as long as we now maintain the golden pocket where everything changed with this wick, I'm going to give you an exact price right now. It's actually in line with the 55 daily moving average, which for me is acting as like a second layer of defense. We can see that if we're keeping above this this 20 purple one, we're continuing this immediate uptrend, but lose it and we start to look bearish, where if we actually hold above the 55, we get pushed back above the 20, where we continue our immediate short-term uptrend. And so that's the same scenario over here. We do just want to hold the 20. We just want to come back to the 1 fib level and the 20 daily just to get a kiss off of it as support, and then continue to the higher targets, as they are of course valid while we are above this point. And this point is the second layer of defense. So even if we did come down and lose the 20 and flip it into resistance as we saw over here, then we can see as long as we're finding support above the 55, which so happens to be in that same area as that candle that changed everything, this nice bullish hammer off of the golden pocket holding it as support. This wick sits here at about 69 cents. So as long as we can maintain above 69 cents, then eventually we will continue to $1.05 and $1.24. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, subscribe, comment, and share. If you want to hear more about my education, listen to this update about that, and take action, click the links in the description down below. If any of you are interested in learning how to trade just like me, there's multiple options. Click this ebook. It covers all the strategies that I use in these YouTube updates, so you will have all the same skills. Covers the Japanese candlestick, chart patterns, support and resistance, why I use EMAs over trend lines, Fibonacci's, divergences, and again, using these all together to profit using them. I've also got a discount on my course at the moment, which ends at the end of this month. So that's down to £100. You also gain free access to my Discord community for the next 3 months, where you can expect to be a part of 12 to 24 group mentorship calls. If you want something that's a bit more personalized to your needs, then join my one-to-one mentorship plan. You can choose 5 or 10 hours of my one-to-one help, and included will be the 3 months free in the community, as well as my 6-hour long video course.